Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and water. This prevents shocks and flooding. Once done, remove the top and front panels to expose the inlet valve and control area. Make sure you organize screws and take photos so reassembly is simple. Test the door switch with a multimeter now to confirm electrical continuity before removing hoses. This helps narrow faults quickly. If you see obvious limescale or debris on the inlet screens, clean them. Small blockages cause fill problems. You next focus on diagnosing. Test inlet valve coil resistance and the pressure switch hose for leaks because these control water flow and level sensing. Once you confirm a bad valve, drain remaining water, disconnect hoses, and note their positions. Replace the valve using original gaskets to avoid leaks and torque clamps snugly but not overly tight. After reinstalling panels, run a short fill cycle to verify correct function. Watching water fill and listening for valve chatter tells you if replacement. You finish by running a full diagnostic or test program to confirm all functions are restored. This verifies inlet, drainage, and spin cycles in one pass. Carefully inspect for leaks and unusual noises while the machine runs, and make sure the drum spins smoothly. An off-balance load can mimic faults. If problems persist, reset the control board by unplugging for 1 minute, then rerun diagnostics and note any error codes. That code directs your next repair step, so record it for reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.